Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video, and also like it. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this super delicious beef burger. All of the ingredients will be available in the description box. So we're going to need mince. This is beef mince. Some people call it ground beef. So we are just going to season our mince. I am just seasoning it with some black pepper. Now the seasoning, you can use any spice of your choice, and the amount of spice you will need is also according to your taste. So I'm just going to grind some black pepper, and then we are going to add some cayenne pepper. And some salt. You can also add mixed herbs, they really go well with that. So that's how it's looking like. And now we're going to cut some green pepper, just a bit of green pepper, just to give our mince some flavor. So we're just going to dice it. And then we are also going to dice some onion. I'm using yellow onion. You can also use red onion, it doesn't really matter. So we're just going to dice the onion. And some garlic. I'm just going to dice the garlic too. And we are just going to add that into our mixing bowl. We're also going to add 1 egg to the mixture and some breadcrumbs. And you're just going to get a wooden spoon, or you can do this with your hands, and just mix everything together very well. Once we have mixed all our ingredients together very well, it's time for shaping our patties, our beef patties. So at first you're just going to get some mince, and then you're going to roll it into a ball shape. And with your hands, you're just going to press it down, just like so. And then you can put it on a working surface like I'm doing, and we're going to spread it out. Now take note that when we are cooking our beef patty, it will start to shrink. So we are going to spread it out and make it bigger than the size that we actually want, because when you're going to cook it, it will start to shrink and become small. This is how it is looking like, and now it's ready to be fried. Now what you're going to do is just put some cooking oil or olive oil into a pan and let it heat up. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're just going to place our patties into the pot or pan, and we're going to let the patties cook for a few minutes on one side, and then we're going to turn them. After frying the patty, while it is still hot or warm, we're just going to place a slice of cheese. This is cheddar cheese, and we're just going to put it on top of our patty, and we are going to cover our patty so that the cheese can melt onto the patty. I've chopped up some onions, and now we're just going to caramelize them. I'm telling you guys, caramelized onions just take the burger to the next level. So to make the caramelized onions, we're just going to put some onions in a pot with some cooking oil, and we are going to brown the onions. Once the onions are brown, we are going to reduce the heat onto the lowest level of your stove, and we're going to let the onions cook on low heat for around about 14 to 20 minutes. The onions are ready, and this is how they look after 20 minutes. Now it's time to prepare the other ingredients that we are going to put on our burger. So we have some tomato and lettuce and also red onion. The red onion is just for color. I am using a serrated knife to cut the tomatoes. I just find it easier to cut the tomato with that. And now for the burger sauce, we have some mayonnaise, and just going to put it in our bowl. To the mayo, we are going to add some tomato sauce or ketchup, cayenne pepper, some black pepper, and some honey. You can also add a bit of sugar instead of honey. You just want kind of a sour sweet flavor, and then you're just going to mix that together. And now we're going to prepare our burger bun. Guys, this burger bun is homemade. I made this from scratch, and a recipe will be coming out really soon. So once the recipe is out, you can go in the description box and click on the link of the video with the recipe. You can also click up in the corner somewhere there and you'll find the link to the recipe. So what you're going to do, you're going to get your knife or a serrated knife, and we're just going to cut our burger bun, and then we're going to put butter. Guys, this step is very important in making a very delicious burger. So we're going to spread some butter onto our burger buns, and we are going to toast them. So we're going to place them in a pot. The pot or a pan should not have anything. You just warm it up and then you place the burger buns there and we let them brown. The burger buns are now toasted, and this is what we are looking for. They should look like that. Now we are going to start building our burger. So we are going to start with the burger sauce. Just going to place some sauce, a generous amount of sauce because I like a juicy burger. So just going to spread some sauce onto the burger bun, and then we are going to place our lettuce. So the lettuce, are just going to place it on top just like so. After the lettuce, we are going to put some tomatoes, and then some red onion. The red onion is optional, just for color. After that, we are going to get our burger patty. Guys, look at the patty. Look at how the cheese has melted onto the burger patty. So we're just going to place the burger patty on our burger bun, and the most important part, our caramelized onions. Just going to place the caramelized onions on top of the burger patty, and then we'll put some more of the burger sauce on the other burger bun, and we just close it up. And there we have it, guys. We just made a beef burger. Look at that, guys. It looks super delicious, and I'm telling you guys, this tastes delicious. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and comment down below how was your experience. Bye guys, see you in the next video.